In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages on Shopify. We'll walk through where to find your pages area, how to edit an existing page or create a brand new one, and then how to add it to your store's navigation so shoppers can easily find it. I'll keep it clear and simple so you can follow along in real time. Start in your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, go to Online Store, then click Pages. This is your hub for static content like an About Us page, a contact page, or a mission statement. If you already have a page you want to update, such as a contact page that shipped with your theme, just click it to open it. That lets you revise the text, refresh images, or tidy up formatting without creating anything new. If you need a new page, click Add Page. Give your page a clear title, something like About Us or Our Mission works well. Keep titles short and easy to recognize, since this same wording can appear in your menu later. In the content editor, add your text and images. You can format headings and paragraphs, add links to important sections of your site, and insert images to tell your brand story. Aim for scannable sections with meaningful headings and keep your messaging concise. If you're adding images, choose web-friendly sizes so your page loads quickly. When your content looks good, click Save. Saving captures your changes and creates the page if it's new. You can always return to this screen later to adjust wording, swap images, or expand sections as your brand evolves. Now let's make sure visitors can reach the page from your site's main menu. Go back to Online Store, then click Navigation and open your main menu. This is typically the top menu customers see across your site. Click Add Menu Item. Give the menu item a label. This is what shoppers will see in your navigation. Then select your page as the link. Choose Pages, pick the page you just edited or created, and confirm. Finally, click Save. That connects the menu item to your page, so it's only a click away for visitors. You're done. Your new or updated page now appears in your website menu and is ready for customers to view. Keep this process in mind anytime you need to publish store policies, tell your brand story, or introduce new informational content. Just create the page, save it, and add it to your main menu. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.